In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add Razorpay on Odoo. If you are using Odoo for accounting or invoicing, adding a payment provider like Razorpay lets you receive payments more smoothly. In this tutorial, I will guide you through the exact settings you need to find, the options you need to select, and what to enter so everything is enabled and working correctly. To begin, log into your Odoo system. Make sure you are in the area you use for business transactions. You should open either the Odoo accounting module or the invoicing module, depending on how you manage your invoices and payments. This matters because the payment provider settings are tied to the relevant configuration area, so starting in the right module helps you avoid confusion later. Once you are logged in, take a moment to locate the configuration menu. In most Odoo setups, you can find it through the main menu or a settings icon. From there, choose Payment Providers. This section is where Odoo lists external payment services that you can install and connect. When you open this page, you should see options for managing providers, including those that are available to install. Next, you will select Razorpay from the list of available payment providers. On the Payment Providers screen, look through the provider options until you find Razorpay. Click to install it. You may see an install button or an action that enables the provider. As you do this, keep an eye on the confirmation message or the status indicator, because it confirms that Razorpay has been added to your Odoo environment. After the provider is selected and installed, you will need to enter your Razorpay credentials. The screen should show fields for a Razorpay key ID and a key secret. Enter the values that Razorpay provides for your integration. For security and best practice, double-check that you have typed them carefully and that there are no extra spaces. Accurate credentials ensure that Odoo can communicate with Razorpay successfully when customers attempt to pay. Now you will set the state to enabled. This is a key step because it controls whether the provider is active. When the state is enabled, Odoo will treat Razorpay as an available option during payment flows. If it is not enabled, customers may not see Razorpay as a valid payment method. So find the state setting on the same page and change it to enabled. Once the state is enabled, you are ready to store your changes. Before saving, quickly review the page one more time. Confirm that Razorpay is selected, that the key ID and key secret fields are filled in, and that the state is set to enabled. This quick check helps prevent mistakes that could require you to repeat the setup. Finally, click Save. This action writes the configuration into your Odoo system. After you click Save, wait for the page to refresh or for a success notification to appear. If everything was entered correctly, you should now see that the Razorpay payment provider is configured and ready to use. And that covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.